Hi people, and welcome in this episode. I want to let you to see how you can clean your Nintendo NES gaming cartridge safely. Let's start it. The cartridge has 3 screws you must take out. You do it with a special screwdriver. Not too hard, so you can break the plastics. Then you can take the plastic bag off and you see the PCB. You take the PCB out with your fingers onto the sides from the PCB. Then you take your glass fiber pen and you go over the copper contacts with your pen. Not too hard, so you can damage the copper plates when you do it too hard. And then you can see that the copper plates are going to blinking. Also, you do the other side from the PCB. Then you take some IPA alcohol not with turpentine or spiritus. That's not good, that's too heavy for the PCB and the copper plates. Also, you do the other side. With your brush. Then you take some paper towel. Take the PCB off. Then you take the plastic cover and you do the PCB right in. A little bit press, not too hard. So the PCB is now into the plastics. Then you take the other side from the plastic. And then the 3 screws must back in. Not too hard. And now you have safely cleaned your Nintendo NES gaming cartridge. Thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!